Here's a passenger train using a lot of pieces from set 4561, released in 1999. The original set was pretty simplistic. One of the last 9-volt sets they made. The blue engine on there is basically just sitting on top of the motor, and then those are the two cars. I'm way more into the freight trains, but they tend to get heavy. As you add detail, you add weight, and then the motors don't pull much. These cars are nice and light because all the windows. Another advantage to that is that then you can easily see the minifigures inside. This one I kind of imagined it's some cosplayers on their way to a Comic-Con. This is the engine here. I like those nice big cockpits because it lets you see all the pieces inside quite well. And then for the other cars, I just kind of did variations on the layout of the windows and doors, and using the pieces you have at hand and kind of the limitations of the 6-stud width. It's not that hard to just kind of create a little variation. I like having all those windows in there. It really adds to what you can see. Those seats in there are swivel, so they're actually at an angle. These are a little scratched up, but lots of greebling where I can add it.